How to clean your laptop safely. Complete beginner guide. Over time, laptops collect dust, fingerprints, and dirt that can affect performance and even cause overheating.
In this video, I'll show you how to clean your laptop safely and correctly without damaging any components.
This guide is perfect for beginners and works for most laptops, including Windows laptops and MacBooks.
Before you start cleaning, always turn off your laptop and unplug it from the power source.
If your laptop has a removable battery, remove it as well. This is an important safety step that helps prevent electrical damage.
Next, let's talk about the tools you need. You don't need expensive equipment.
A microfiber cloth, a small brush, compressed air, and a little isopropyl alcohol are more than enough. Avoid using paper towels, rough cloths, or household cleaners, as they can scratch the screen or damage the surface.
Let's start with the screen. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with water or a screen-safe cleaner. Gently wipe the screen in one direction.
Do not spray liquid directly onto the screen, as liquid can seep into the edges and damage the display.
Now, clean the keyboard. Turn the laptop upside down and gently tap it to remove loose debris.
Use compressed air to blow dust out from between the keys. Fold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. For sticky keys, lightly dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surface.
Next, clean the touchpad and laptop body. Finger oils and dirt often build up on these areas.
Use a microfiber cloth with a small amount of alcohol to wipe the surface.
Be gentle and avoid excessive pressure. Don't forget about the ports and vents. Dust inside vents can block airflow and cause overheating.
Use compressed air to carefully blow dust out of the ports and ventilation areas.
Never insert sharp objects into the ports. If your laptop overheats often, cleaning the vents regularly can help improve airflow and cooling performance.
However, if internal dust buildup is severe, consider professional cleaning. After cleaning, let your laptop dry completely before turning it back on. Once everything is dry, reconnect the power and start your device.
You'll notice your laptop looks cleaner and may even run cooler. Cleaning your laptop every few months can extend its lifespan and keep it running smoothly. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.